Hello everyone, Uncle Frank here again, and today we're gonna learn how to draw Doraemon. So I'm gonna start by drawing a circle, which is gonna be the head. And after that, I'm gonna make a rectangle for the whole body. By measuring with my reference material, I know that the body is gonna be a little smaller than the head. I'm gonna make a rectangle, but then I'm gonna leave some room for shortening the body. So I get to know where the nose is, and after making the nose, I'm gonna make two ovals for the eyes. I'm gonna draw them like this, very close to each other. And then I see he has a funny upper lip. And a really big mouth. The tongue is gonna be something like a half heart. I work a little more on his head because it's gonna be practically a circle. Then I draw 3 whiskers on each side. Now he has this little bell on his neck, which is just a circle. Okay, this one looks good. Then I'm gonna make the pocket around here. This is what his feet are gonna look like. And his arms, which are gonna be very simple. Just place a cylinder with a circle at the end. His other arm is gonna be lifted, and we're gonna follow the same pattern, just a cylinder and a circle at the end. Okay, the line art is done, so it's time to get the crayons and start coloring it. And there it is, it's ready. That's our Doraemon. Stick around a little longer and take a look at the other suggestions YouTube is going to give you. I'm sure you're gonna find something else you like on our channel. Thank you very much for watching up to this point. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.